going to private school in grades 6 and 7, I would practice basketball during breaks. There was an older boy from the Philippines named Mark. He was a couple grades behind because he was learning English. If we didn't play basketball, we would play checkers. He was very good at both, and he challenged my abilities. Then I went into public junior high school for grades 8 to grade 10. I'd play pickup basketball every morning, lunch, and after school. There was a group of guys that played, and my skills increased as time went by. Some of the guys were on the school team, and they asked why I didn't join the team. I decided to try in grade 9 for the grade 9 and 10 team. I was cut, but I knew it was needed to get better. During the summer before grade 10, I would shoot hoops for hours every day. When it was the time for the tryouts at the school, I was ready. There were about 8 sessions for the coaches to pick players. One session happened on the same night as the school dance. I was the only boy to show up for that night. The coach and I took turns at passing, shooting, layups, and playing 21. The coach cut the session short, but told me I made the team. My dedication to the sport and respecting his practice requests convinced him that I would be a good addition to the team. There was one more session before the final spot would be officially announced. There was one cocky boy that was in all sports, and he showed up only for the last session. I still made an effort for that last session. I wanted to show my dedication to the coach. When it was the day to see the players making the team, I looked at the list. The cocky kid made the team, and my name was not on the list. I didn't have the guts to go to the coach and ask why. I kept playing pickup morning, lunch, and after school. When I hit grade 11 in senior high, I had gym class during tryouts for basketball. I didn't go to that, but our class happened to be playing basketball while the coach was in the gym office. He stopped and watched me for the entire class. Then he came up to me after class and asked me why I wasn't trying out. I didn't have the heart to tell him about my grade 10 experience. I just told him I wasn't interested.